exercise 1.1 exercise 2, which states that we want to verify the solution u of x, y, which is this, to satisfy the Laplace equation, which is u sub x, x plus u sub y, y equal to 0. So we want to validate that this is really a solution for the Laplace's equation. So that's what we're going to do here. We can do that by finding these second partial derivatives of this solution with respect to x and y, and then substituting that back into the Laplace equation. So let's begin by taking the first partial derivative with respect to x. We can do this by noting that this is going to be chain rule. So the derivative of the outside is 1 over x squared plus y squared to the 1/2. And then the derivative of the inside of this term, so this would be the derivative of this term would be times 1/2 times x squared plus y squared times, which is to the negative 1/2. And then the derivative of the inside is 2x. And then we can further simplify this as we can cancel out those 2's out, and we end up with x over x squared plus y squared to the 1/2 times x squared plus y squared to the 1/2. And then we can simplify these by adding the exponents at the top. So we end up with x squared plus y squared to the 1 power, because 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. So that's u sub x. Then we could take the second derivative with respect to x, and we could say that this term here is f, and g prime is x squared plus y squared to the -1. And then we can take the product, we can do the product rule. So f prime is 1 times x squared plus y squared, which is a -1. You take the derivative of that, that's times negative, well, I guess we keep that. So f prime g, so x squared plus y squared to the -1, plus f g prime, which is then times -1 x squared plus y squared, and then that's -1. You bring that in the front, then it's -2 times the derivative of the inside with respect to x is 2x. So then we end up with x squared plus y squared to the -1 plus 2x squared over x squared plus y squared squared. So then we can do the same thing with u sub y, and we then denote that this is just going to be x squared plus y squared. It's going to have the same format as u sub x. And then we can also note u sub y is also the second partial derivative with respect to y is going to have the same form as this, which is just saying that, and this is actually a negative here. And then we have, basically the same form here, x squared plus y squared, and then that's -2y squared over x squared plus y squared squared. So that would be that form. And then we can then substitute these two terms back into the equation of Laplace, the Laplace equation, and that will give us, so we end up with 1 over x squared plus y squared minus 2x squared over x squared plus y squared squared. And then we end up with plus 1 over x squared plus y squared minus 2y squared over x squared plus y squared. Combining these like terms, we can combine that. That's 2 over x squared plus y squared minus 2 times x squared. We're going to take those negatives out, pull them out. Then we're going to pull this 2 out from both of these. We're going to then combine like terms. We end up with x squared plus y squared squared. But then we can see that those are similar, so we can cross out one of those. And then we can see that 2 over x squared plus y squared minus 2 over x plus y squared is really 0. So we have, in fact, proved that u sub x, x plus u sub y, y is, in fact, 0.